Guys, welcome back. Today is evening duty after the night shift. So basically today I was planning to buy an action camera by DJI for my vlogging and gym videos, but I couldn't wake up on time. But in the coming days I would be planning to buy. See you. So guys, it is over and I am going. Evening duty is over and let's go. I'll go to the gym today. Tomorrow is Sunday off. So guys, I'm going to the gym right now. I'm going to my home after the, job. And tomorrow I would be going to the Chroma store for the DJI action camera. So guys, right now it's raining. As you guys can see, this is the best climate for me basically. After the workout, if it rains, so fucking good guys. So guys, the rain made me all moisturized. Diet Coke here. And I have planned to, have cheat meals every Saturday, so on and so forth. Just because that's how you build discipline, and also that's more practical rather than completely giving up on life pleasures. That's it, guys. And yeah, obviously I drink Diet Coke only. I don't promote the normal Coke because it has a lot of sugar. So anyways, see you guys tomorrow. Bye.